Hello, teacher. My name is Lisel Corrales. Happiness is having a best friend. A story tells that two friends were walking through the desert. During some point of the journey, they had an argument, and one friend slapped the other one in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything. Wrote in the sand, "Today, my best friends slapped me in the face." They kept walking until they found an oasis, where they decided to take a bath. The one who had been slapped got stuck in the mire and started drowning, but the friend saved him. After he recovered from the near drowning, he wrote on a stone, "Today, best friend saved my life." The friend who had slacked and saved his best friend asked him, "After I heard you, you wrote in the sand, and now you write on a stone. Why?" The other friend replied, When someone heard sad, we should write it down in sand, where wind of forgiveness can erase it away. But when someone does something good for act, we must engrave it in stone where no wind can ever erase it. Thank you, teacher.